Hey guys, in today's video we're going to give you some tips and tricks to choose the right Wi-Fi for your business. Let's get right into it. Tip number 1, understand your business's needs. To choose a suitable business internet connection, you will need to understand your organization's current and future IT requirements. Think about how your staff and customers use the internet when operating or interacting with your company. Do they just need to access email and browse the web? Or do they regularly stream video content, download large files, take part in audio conferencing, or use a VoIP telephone system? If they don't know, is the situation likely to change in the next few years? All these things require a more robust connection and greater bandwidth, so keep that in mind. Tip number 2, find out which types of internet connection are available to you. Not all business internet connection types are available in all parts of the country. Your choices will probably include the following: cable, DSL, satellite, fixed wireless. However, we really recommend fiber optics. This super fast fiber optic connection is new and expensive, but high bandwidth potential means vastly superior download speeds. Fiber requires specialist equipment to be installed. There's no loss of signal in bad weather, and fiber optic connectors are harder to hack into than copper wires. A con to fiber is it's the most expensive option. As a new technology, availability is limited by geographic location. Tip number 3, figure out what you're paying for. ISP marketing is often price focused, but when you're buying for a business, it's even more important to read the small print. Prices quoted online tend to reflect the basic entry-level package and are sometimes conditional for signing up for a minimum period. But be wary of committing for longer than 2 years, as services, providers, technology, and pricing change frequently in this market. That's it for today's video. Please like, comment, and share if you enjoyed the video. Dislike if you didn't, and we'll see you in the next one.